Welcome to another video of the ELS New Features video series. In this video, we will be discussing custom blast loading. When subject to explosion loads, structures are affected by both front and side pressures. In order to consider the side pressure effects, ELS 6's new custom blast loading feature allows the user to select the elements affected by side and front pressures. Let me show you. To implement the blast loading, select the loading scenario button, click New, and then press Apply. Once you've done that, a new stage should appear. Under the Load Condition column, select the new Custom Blast option and press Apply. Now, if I go in the load window on the left-hand side of the window, I can choose the weight of the charge, position, and the explosive type. So let's go ahead and change these options to fit our example. In this test case, we have a TNT charge of 400 kilograms located approximately 13 meters away from the front of the building. At this point, if we show the load in the pre-processing window, we can see that the position of the charge appears on the screen. So, these will be the front elements. If we revisit the load scenario window, we can see that unlike the classic blast load, I have two different windows for both front and side groups. After that, let's select the elements affected by the pressure wave. To do that, return to the model and change the perspective to accurately select all the affected elements. Once you've selected the elements facing the explosion, click on the loading scenario button and press the Assign Elements under the front group side. Go ahead and repeat these steps for the side and roof groups. Select the elements and in side groups, click on Assign Element. Let's do the same for the roof. In order to make the software able to calculate the side pressure, we need to specify the span length. We can measure the length using the measurement tool. As we can see, we have a span length of about 12 meters. So return to the loading scenario window, insert the value, and click on Apply. I have now implemented the blast load in the model, and if I look at the results, comparing both custom blast and automatic blast, I can notice that I am now obtaining the side pressure effects on the roof and on the sides of the building. And there you have it. So we have seen how the new custom blast feature can be used to perform more reliable analysis in the case of blast loading. But the feature can also save you time in case you are analyzing a structure with partitioned walls, but you won't lose time in modeling those. For more information, visit us at extremeloading.com.